Good evening, all of you. कैसे हैं सब लोग? Good evening, all of you. Yeah. कैसे हैं सब लोग? Good evening. How is the preparation going on? Nice to see you all. Okay. I hope all of you doing great, and your preparation is also good, and take care of your health in this tough situation. So because COVID cases are rising, everybody knows. So be careful. Okay, stay home. Don't go outside. Okay, because in the last moment, okay, if you get any cold cough or if you get any symptoms, it is very difficult to manage. Okay, because mentally you will get disturbed. Okay, so as everyone knows, like prevention is better than cure. So please don't step out of your house. Don't step out of your house. Just have a food and preparation and just stay in the room, because in the last okay, these days are very crucial. So don't step out of the room, because if something happens, so it's very, very danger. Okay, so because unnecessary, it will disturb your preparation. Okay, right. So okay, good evening all of you, right? So all of you good. So just maintain smile, and okay, anyway, like no need to worry about COVID. It is just like a common cold. Okay, so just feel like that. So in the today's session, so I have come up with some kind of questions. Okay, so get through questions we are going to discuss. Understand here. We will discuss some questions based on programming and data structures. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to take much time of yours because you are everyone is seriously doing the preparation and giving the test series. So I thought I don't waste your time. So I'll take only 1 hour, 1.5 hours, something like that. Few questions I'll discuss just to revise the points. Okay, so fine. So let's okay, begin with the first question. So every question, okay, so be ready with the paper and pen. So there are some good questions. Okay, so in the series of the get through questions, there are some good questions also there. So just be ready with the paper and pen. So I'll give around 1 to 2 minutes of time. Okay, so just to okay, make sure you solve the question from your side. So let's begin. Okay, here is the first question. So let's not waste the time. This is a simple question. So I'm expecting everyone to give the right answer. I'm expecting everyone to give the right answer. Yeah, good evening, Srijal Patel. Good evening, all of you. Aam Aadmi, Ovais Khan, Shaurya Agarwal, Ishwar Mahapatro, good evening. Umesh Chandra, good afternoon. Yes. There are mixed varieties of the questions, so just make sure you solve it properly. Right. So I think this question will not take more than 1 minute because it is just like a one more question. Okay, there is a chance because so many times the question asked based on the pre-increment, post-increment and all that. So that is the reason I have taken up this question. Okay, right. So understand here, okay, initial value of x is given as what? 57. Initial value of x is 57. So this is x plus plus, okay, let it be post increment. So x value to increment hona hai, that is a 58. And remember, this is a plus plus x, okay, that is a pre-increment. X value again, it will be incremented, that is a 59. Now remember, so this is done. So this statement, if you observe, x plus 1. Okay, remember there is no assignment in this. Okay, understand here. So no assignment. Okay, remember if there is any assignment, so then there is a meaning of this statement. You can simply ignore this statement. There is no meaning of this. X plus 1 karke, you are not assigning anyone. You are not changing the x value. X plus 1 is given. So this statement is okay, not doing anything here. Okay, because it is not modifying the x value. You are not assigning anything to this, okay, this value. So this statement is like a dummy statement. It is not doing anything. And next, now tell me what is the x value now? 59. Now when comes to the printf statement, you are saying 1 plus, okay, 1 plus. Remember it is a post increment. When you say post increment, x value you have to take which one here? 59 only you have to take. So that is 1 plus 59 will be printed. That is what? 60. 60 is the output you are going to get. So remember, so still there are so many students who answered 61. Look at here. Uplab, okay, Srijal Patel, Shubham Maurya, Siddhartha, okay, many students. Somebody say gave 59 also. Okay, many people gave 61 also. Okay, right? So please understand the small mistake, okay, will make lot of difference. I know, okay, at least some students will do the mistake. That is the reason I have taken up this question. Actually, this is a very simple one. I really don't understand. I said many times, even in the class also, x plus 1 means x value is not changing. X plus 1 करके आप लेना है तो ले सकते हो. Okay, इसका value मतलब कहाँ पे जा रहा है? According to our class, if you remember, x plus 1 मतलब क्या है? x को plus 1 कर रहा है, किधर भी नहीं जा रहा है value. किधर जा रहा है बताओ? हवा में जा रहा है. याद है आपको? हवा में जा रहा है. If you remember, okay, हवा में जा रहा है. Okay, so okay, it's very difficult to write. हवा में जा रहा है. Is that clear? If you remember, I discussed the pointers also. Sometimes I gave something like okay, star x plus plus, okay, star ptr plus plus, okay, इसका value पूरा ये है, मगर इसका value change नहीं हो रहा है, हवा में जा रहा है. I told many times. So same thing, this is also happening. वो हवा में जा रहा है. Right? So Sridhar Patel, check करो बेटा. Okay, please don't do that mistakes. Okay, right? Uplab. I think Uplab, later you gave right answer. It's okay, fine. So finally, okay, you understood that. Okay, where is the mistake? So, okay, so understand here, these kind of questions may come for 1 mark. Remember, every 1 mark is also important. Okay, some tricky questions. Okay, right. So let's move on to the next question. That is a simple one. So let's not waste much time on this. Move on to the next question. So think carefully and answer. I am giving the time. Okay, so I hope you are ready with the paper and pen. So मैं completely side रह रहा हूँ. Okay, so आपको disturb ना हो. So think carefully and solve this question. Don't confuse. Okay, so take your own time. 1 minute you have a time to think. 1 minute or 2 minutes. 2 minutes time you can take. Right. Right. So most of you giving right answer. Javed Khan, please check your answer, beta. So at least one, two people, except one, two people. Mega Nayaka, check your answer. Right. Yes. Okay. So this is a okay. Right answer is okay 38. So understand here. So most of you solved. So there is no problem. So this is a simple one only, right? So the basic recursion and the simple one. So at least one, two people give wrong answer, but that's okay. They can rectify. So this is a very simple question. So I just don't want to give explanation for this. Okay, it is a waste of time. So let's move on to the next question. Next question is a good one. So think carefully and answer. So this question I am going to explain. So just think carefully and answer. Take out the next question. Just visualize the three-dimensional array. Carefully understand what he is asking. It is not a very tough question. It is just a good question. It's a three-dimensional array on the pointers. Think carefully and solve. That's a good question. Three-dimensional array. Don't be in a hurry. These kind of questions are expected in the GATE exam. It's a good question. Little tough, little tough. Think carefully and answer. Because every question cannot be easy. Just a 4 lines program is there. If anybody is having doubt, you can execute the program on the compiler and check. Only 4 lines program. It is not a very big program, just only 4 lines program. If anybody is having doubt, you can execute the program after the session and check yourself. Think carefully and answer. I am giving time because the good question I must give the time. What happened? Nobody gave right answer. Sharath Venkatesh, wrong answer. Srinivas, wrong answer. What happened? Nobody gave right answer. Sharath, again, this is also wrong answer only. I gave very tough questions in the test series. In the test series, I have given more tough question than this. Looks like you are not writing the test series or what? Shaurya Agarwal, wrong answer. Just a 4 lines program. You can execute online compiler after the session if you have a doubt. No. Nobody gave right answer. Meda Tiwari, I'm expecting answer from you. Umesh Chandra, wrong answer beta. Check kar lo, verify. Do it once again. You are not practicing test series or what? In the test series, I have given more difficult question than this. In the test series, I have given more difficult question than this. I thought you will solve it. Ishwar Mahapatru, wrong answer. Srinivas, wrong answer. What is this? Nobody gave right answer. Almost 80 people on the live. I'm really surprised. Tulsi Ram, you are coming closer, but still wrong answer. अरे 4 लाइन का प्रोग्राम अभी तक टाइप करे तो भी ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में आंसर आ जाता था. ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में जाके टाइप करे तो भी आंसर आ जाता था. ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में जाके 4 लाइन टाइप करे तो आंसर आ जाता था. एक भी सही आंसर नहीं दिया. नॉट इवन सिंगल पर्सन. Tulsiram, you are coming closer. Tulsiram, you are very close. You are the only person you are coming closer. Meda Tiwari, what is your answer? Ishwar Mahapatra, wrong answer. Everyone wrong answer only. Almost 75 to 80 people are there in the live. Nobody gave right answer. I gave more difficult question in the test series. I gave more difficult questions in the test series. It means you are not writing test series or what? What is the purpose of test series? I have given more difficult question than this in the test series. I have given video solution also. Tulsiram, you are very close. Komal, you are also very close. Komal Kundu, you are very close. Ijahul Haq, you are also very close. Meda Tiwari, wrong answer. You are also very close. Nishant, wrong answer. You are also very close, but still wrong answer. It's okay. I give more time, guys. Yeah. So the first right answer I received, Suraj Kanasia. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. The first person gave right answer. Suraj Kanasia, very good beta. What is this? Nishant, you are saying 474.8. What is that 0.4? 0.8. Yeah, Tulsiram, you are right. Now you gave right answer. Okay. So it's okay, right? It's okay. Don't worry, don't bother. Okay, right? So actually, I thought you are solving the test series because in the test series I gave more difficult question than this. Okay, so if you have understood that, so this question would have been easy. So it means you are not giving test series. It means you are not giving made easy test series. Okay, fine. So it is okay. Please practice the test series. That is how you can check your ability and test your knowledge. Okay, only 2 people gave right answer, around almost 80 people on the live. Okay, it's okay, right? So come back to this. Remember, it's a 3-dimensional array, right? Yes or no? Okay, it's a 3-dimensional array. Okay, so let me check that. Okay, right. So it's a 3-dimensional array. Okay, if you have any small doubt also, only 4 lines is there. You can execute on the online compiler and check. Okay, so that should be okay, right? So let me explain that 3-dimensional array. What is the meaning of ampersand a? First of all, in the 3-dimensional array, you are having 20, a of 20, 30, 40. What is the meaning of this? Okay, you are having 20 2-dimensional arrays, 2D arrays, 20 2D arrays. Okay, each of size, okay, 30 into 40. Just I'm doing the rough work. And the next 30 1-dimensional arrays, 30 1-dimensional arrays. Okay, each of size, okay, this is okay, I'm writing each of size, okay, each of size 30 into 40, and 30 1-dimensional arrays, each of size, okay, each size, I write roughly, I'm writing each size is 40. Okay, right. So how many 1D arrays are there? 1D arrays. Okay, understand here. 1D arrays. How many 1D arrays? 30 1D arrays. 30 1D arrays. How many 2D arrays? 2D arrays. How many 2D arrays? Okay, that is 20 2D arrays. 20 2D arrays. Remember, 20 2D arrays. Okay, each of size. Okay, understand here. 20 2D arrays, each of size 30 into 40. Okay, that is clear. Next 30 1D arrays, each of size okay, 40. Okay, so right, so total 1D arrays are how many? Okay, 30. Okay, in each 2D array 30 1D arrays. Is that clear? And okay, how many 2D arrays? Total 20 2D arrays. Okay, so how the diagram will look like? Okay, don't confuse. 30 1D arrays means in each 2D array 30 1D arrays. Don't confuse. 1D arrays are 30 means what? Okay, not total 1D arrays. In each 2D array 30 1D array. Okay, right? In each 2D array 30 1D arrays are there. Okay, how many total 2D arrays are there? Total 2D arrays are what? Okay, this is total. Okay, so I write here total 2D arrays. But this is not total. Each 2D array is having what? How many 1D arrays? 30 1D arrays. Okay, right? Each 2D array is having 30 1D arrays. Each 1D array is having how much size? Okay, 40 size. Okay, so that is clear. Now, okay, we cannot make the complete diagram, 3D array, okay, complete diagram, it is not possible to make. So, we can make a rough idea, okay, but all of you know what is the meaning of this ampersand a plus 3, okay, minus ampersand a. So, first of all, what is the meaning of ampersand a? Remember, okay, if you are already attended my class, then you can understand. If you are outsider, maybe try to follow my class because I cannot give the complete concept. Okay, so try to understand that. So ampersand a means what? If it is a 3-dimensional array, ampersand a means base address of the entire 3-dimensional array. Base address of the entire 3-dimensional array. Ampersand a means base address of the entire 3-dimensional array. So entire 3D array को point कर रहे हैं. If I say plus 3, so it will jump according to what? 3D array size. Plus 1 करे तो एक बार 3D array size. Plus 2 करे तो दो बार 3D array size. And plus 3 means what? 3 times 3D array size it will jump. And next, when you say, okay, ampersand a, okay, this is a 1 time 3D array size. Okay, 3D array ko point kar raha hai. See, this is indirectly, okay, this entire one, this will give you, okay, 3, okay, look at here, this value will give you 3. Okay, why? Because how this will be evaluated? Okay, let me try. So look at here, so this is indirectly 3 minus 0. So this value will give as a 3. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just take integer x1 and printf करके देख लो, a चला के देख लो, Is that clear? So this is a ampersand a plus 3 means what? 3. Okay, instead of a, okay, don't confuse. Sir, ampersand a means it is taken like that. Okay, if it is 1D array, what happens? If it is 1D array, okay, forget about this. 3D array वो सब छोड़ दो. अगर normal integer array है, normal simple integer array, 1D array है, बताओ 1D array है, you are having like this 1D array, simple 1D array is there. अब बताओ a plus 3 means a plus 3 minus a, what it will give you? It will give you 3 only. A plus 3 means what? Let us say base address is 100. Okay, base address is 100. You are having 102, 104, 106, 108. Okay, you are having simple 1D array. I am explaining. A plus 3 means what? 100 plus 3. That is how much here? 106. Minus a means what? 100. Minus a means 100. Divide, okay, 6. Divided by size of the element 2. That will give you what? 3. So this is for 1D array, this is for 3D array. So same thing, don't confuse. A plus 3 minus a, this will also give you 3. That will also give you 3. If it is a simple 1D array is there, okay, forget about that concept, forget about that question. I am explaining only this one. If you are having simple 1D array, a plus 3 minus a, if I say, now tell me what is going to happen, the same thing will happen. Yes or no? Exactly same thing will happen there. So this entire value is what? 3. Okay, right. Okay, right. So that is clear. So I am just removing this. Next. Now tell me afterwards. Okay, right. Okay, so somebody is asking what is the meaning of this? This is the initialization, array initialization. Please, my dear. Okay, that is just you are initializing the array with a simple 0. It means all the remaining, all the elements will be initialized with the 0. That is the value of the element, initialization of the array. Okay, who is this asking that question? Yeah, Tulsiram. Tulsiram, okay, right. So that is just the initialization of the array. Okay, right. So don't worry about that. Okay, next. Now integer x2 equal to a of 20 minus a of 4. What is the value of this? Okay, look at here. A of 20 means what? First of all, how this a of 20 will be evaluated? Okay, so I am writing here a of 20 will be evaluated a plus 20 whole star. Okay, is this clear for everyone? A of 20. So I write in detail. Okay, many students gave wrong answer. I am really worried about this question. Okay, I really don't understand why you gave wrong answer. Okay, a of 20. What is the meaning of this? Okay, a plus 20 whole star. Correct? Now, first of all, what is the meaning of a? Okay, just tell me what is the meaning of a. A, 3-dimensional array. 3-dimensional array. I said, okay, dreams में भी वही याद आना तुमको बताया. 3-dimensional array. Array name without subscript will give the base address of the 0th 2-dimensional array. ओके, 3-dimensional रिपीट कर रहा हूं. ओके, आपको याद रहना है, मैं जैसा बोलता हूं. ओके, राइट. ओके, नींद में भी आपको याद रहना, पिक्चर बनना चाहिए, ये भी बताया था. राइट, 3-dimensional array है. डिक्लेरेशन देखो, 3-dimensional array. 3-dimensional array, array name without subscript. 3-dimensional array, array name without subscript will give you base address of 0th 2-dimensional array. 0th 2-dimensional array. Correct? Okay. So A means okay, A means it will give you 0th 2-dimensional array. Base address of 0th 2-dimensional array. Okay, 0th 2D array को पॉइंट कर रहे हैं, प्लस 20 करूंगा तो 20th 2D array पे जाएगा. राइट, सो ये प्लस 20 करूंगा, सो 20th 2D array पे जाएगा. 20th 2D array पे जाने के बाद स्टार लगाया. लुक एट हियर, ये प्लस 20 मीन्स इट वाज पॉइंटिंग टू 20th 2D array. A means it was pointing to 0th 2D array. A means it was pointing to 0th 2D array. A plus 2 means it is pointing to 20th 2D array. A plus 20 means it is pointing to 20th 2D array. Now if I say star, क्या होगा? 2D array को अंदर आएगा. 2D array को अंदर गए तो क्या मिलेगा? 1D array पे आएगा. 2D array को अंदर जा रहा है तो क्या मिलेगा? 1D array मिलेगा. So it means ये 20th 2D array 0th 1D array को पॉइंट कर रहे हैं. Is that clear? Right. So I'm writing here. So 20th 2D array. 20th 2D array को पॉइंट, 20th 2D array के अंदर 0th 1D array को पॉइंट कर रहे हैं. 0th 1D array को पॉइंट कर रहे हैं. राइट, नेक्स्ट उसके बाद a of 4 कर रहा हूं. ओके, लुक एट हियर, a of 4 मींस व्हाट? ओके, a plus 4 whole star. So A means what? Okay, three-dimensional array. A means array name without subscript. You will give the base address of what? 0th 2D array. 0th 2D array. 0th 2D array को point कर रहा है. A plus 4 means what? 4th 2D array. 4th 2D array को point कर रहा है. A plus 4 means 4th 2D array को point कर रहा है. 4th 2D array को point कर रहा है, स्टार लगाया. 4th 2D array को point करने के बाद स्टार लगाया तो क्या होगा? ओके, 1D array क्या आ जाएगा? 2D array को स्टार लगाया तो अंदर गए तो क्या मिलेगा? 1D array. सो 4th 2D array 0th 1D array को point कर रहा है. सो ये क्या कर रहा है? ओके, 4th 2D array के अंदर 0th 1D array को point कर रहा है. करेक्ट? Right. So this is the meaning of A of 4 and this is the meaning of A of 20. Is the point clear for everyone? So ये 20th 2D array 0th 1D array को point कर रहा है. So 4th 2D array 0th 1D array को point कर रहा है. So अभी now finally it is pointing to what? 0th 1D array. So indirectly it is calculating what? Okay, 20 से 20th 2D array से 4th 2D array तक how many 1D arrays are there internally? Okay, that is what is finding. From 20th 2D array, okay, to 4th 2D array. From 20th 2D array to, okay, 4th 2D array, internally how many 1D arrays are there? How many 1D arrays are there? That is what is calculating. So first of all, tell me 20th 2D array from, okay, look at here, look at here. So from 20 before 4th, okay, that is what we will do. Like for example, if I subtract the pointers P2 minus P1, okay, now tell me, subtracting the 2 pointers allowed or not allowed? Subtracting the pointers, okay, subtracting 2 pointers allowed or not allowed? Okay, allowed. Very good. Okay, when I say allowed, okay, subtracting 2 pointers is allowed. But remember, that is allowed only when both are pointing to what? Same array. That is second rule. When both are pointing to, okay, same array. Okay, that is fine. And next important point. If I say P2 minus P1, in your notes it is very clear. Okay, P2 minus P1 means notes में लिखे आप लोग. I have written very clearly pointer arithmetic. Pointer arithmetic. When I say P2 minus P1, okay, it will give number of elements. When I say P2 minus P1, when I subtract the 2 pointers, it will give number of elements from P2 before P1. It will give number of elements from P2 before P1. Notes में लिखा है, देख लो. Pointer arithmetic में रहेगा. Pointer arithmetic रहेगा. Right? समझ में आया सबको? Right? So from P2, okay, from P2 before P1. So that will give number of elements between from P2 before P1. Okay, now tell me this one, this A of 4, A of 20. Okay, A of 20, this is now pointing to 0th 1D array. 20th 2D array में 0th 1D array. Now next A of 4 pointing 4th 1D array में 0th 1D array point कर रहे. See first of all ये 20th 1D array से 4th 1D array from P2 before 4, from 20 before 4, from 20th 2D array, from 20th 2D array before 4th 2D array. Listen to me carefully. Let's say assume this is your P2 and assume this is your P1. Assume this is your P2, assume this is your P1. So from P2 before P1, from P2 before P1, how many 2D arrays are there? How many 2D arrays are there? So from P2 before P1, how many 2D arrays are there? 20 minus 4, that is 16. 16 2D arrays are there. Please understand here. From P2 before P1. That's what is written very clearly when you do the subtraction between 2 pointers P2 minus P1. Notes में pointer arithmetic एक बार देख लो जाके तुरंत. From P2 before P1, how many elements are there? That is given. So now tell me from 20th 2D array, okay, from 20th 2D array before 4th 2D array, how many 2D arrays are there? 16 2D arrays are there. But now your pointer is pointing to 1D arrays. So total 16 2D arrays are there, and each 2D array is having how many 1D arrays? Each 2D array is having how many 1D arrays? Okay, each 2D array is having how many 1D arrays? Okay, each 2D array is having how many 1D arrays? 30 1D arrays. Okay, look at here, 16 into 30. So that is, okay, how much is this value? 480. Remember, this value is 480. Okay, so if you print x2 अगर आप print करेंगे, so this will give you 480. This will give you 480. Now you are saying finally printf percentage d 480 minus 3. Okay, look at here. So 480 minus 3. How much is this? 477. So right answer is what? 477. 477 is the right answer. 477 is the right answer. Is this point clear for everyone? Please, if you are having any doubt, please ask me. This is a very important concept. This kind of question expected. This kind of question is expected. Almost 80 to 90 people are there in the live. 90 students are there in the live. Only 1% gave the right answer. 2 people gave right answer. That is also after 2-3 attempts. No, Pallavi Jain, no need to multiply with the integer size, no need to multiply with the pointer size. If you multiply with the pointer size, you also divide by size of the element finally. Okay, multiply करके आप divide भी करें तो उतना ही आएगा. पल्लव जैन, ओके सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो फाइनली आप डिवाइड भी करोगे. अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो साइज ऑफ द एलिमेंट 4 बाई से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. आप डिवाइड भी करें तो फाइनली आप 4 से डिवाइड करोगे. सो देयर इज नो यूज, मीनिंग इज सेम. पल्लव जैन समझ में आया बेटा? Is it clear for everyone? Remember, if you are having a small doubt also, it is just only 4 lines program. Just open the browser, online compiler browser. Just printf x1. x1 को print करो, x2 को print करो, x2 minus x1 print करो. So these kind of questions are expected in the GATE exam. Okay, I gave so much homework and I really don't understand. Even in the test series, I have given a more difficult question than this. Okay, I really don't know whether you are giving test series or not. Okay. Meda theory, is that clear now? Now is the point clear for everyone? पल्लव जैन समझ में आया? मेधा तिवारी, उपलब्ध रजक, उमेश चंद्रा. Right, okay. So fine, okay. So that's really good. If you are having small doubt also, it is just only 4 lines. I am repeating once again. Just open online compiler browser and just printf करके check करके देख लो. Right? Right. So, okay, don't worry. Don't get panic. Don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed. You tried your best. Okay? You tried your best. Okay? So don't be disappointed. Okay? Fine. Right. That is a nice question. That is a nice question. Right, let's move on to the next question. So take this question. This is one of the good question. Why we subtract 3? Because x1 is 3. Shagun Bansal, x1 is a 3. Shagun Bansal, x1 was a 3, x2 was 480. So x2 minus x1 is asking. You have not read the question. Question नहीं पढ़े? 480 minus 3 करे तो 477. Shagun Bansal समझ में आया बेटा? This is a good question. Think carefully and answer. Nitish Kumar, read the question first. What he is saying? You are simply guessing. Shagun Bansal, you understood your doubt? Okay. So many students are solving, and that is giving right answer. So that's really nice. So, but remember, sometimes you need to use the common sense. No need to solve the entire question. Sometimes you need to use the common sense. Okay. So we usually say like computer science means common sense as usual. Okay, right? So understand what is saying in the question, right? So many people are giving right answer. So I think okay, but anyway, like here it is very easy to solve. But in case, just understand what is saying in the question. Understand what is saying in the question. If the numbers are okay 9, 4, 2, 7, 5, 1, okay, as given that are inserted in the order initially on an empty binary search tree. Okay, it is very clear on empty binary search tree. Okay, uses reversal ordering on the natural numbers. What is doing here? Reversal ordering on the natural numbers. It means what? 9 is assumed to be what? Smallest, and 0 is assumed to be what? Largest. उल्टा मान रहा है, 9 को लार्जेस्ट मान रहा है, ओके 9 को स्मॉलेस्ट मान रहा है, 0 को लार्जेस्ट मान रहा है. Is that clear? So 9 is assumed to be smallest and 0 assumed to be largest. So pre-order traversal of the resultant binary search tree. Okay, understand here. He is asking what? Pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal of the resultant binary search tree. So first of all, just insert the elements first. So the first element is what? Okay, look at here, 9. Okay, next if you observe next element 4. Okay, when you compare 4, अगर आप root से compare करेंगे तो normally 4 is what? Smaller. Okay, it should go left, but according to this reversal ordering on the natural numbers, तो 4 will go towards right. समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? 9 से कंपेयर कर तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या इंसर्ट करने में 4 इज एक्चुअली स्मॉलर बट इज फॉलोइंग द रिवर्सल ऑर्डर. सो इसका मतलब 4 इज ग्रेटर आपको मानना है, बिकॉज 0 इज द लार्जेस्ट एंड 9 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट, ही सेड, right? So 4 actually left में जाना है, but because he is following reversal order, it will go towards right. Next is what here? 2. जब आप 2 compare करेंगे, when you compare the 2 here, when you compare with the 9 से compare करें तो 2 is small, but it will go towards right because you are following reversal. And next 4 से compare करेंगे तो 2 is what? Actually smaller, but you are following reversal order, so it will go towards right. And next is what here? 7. 9 से कंपेयर करें तो 7 इज स्मॉलर, ये लेफ्ट में जाना है, बट रिवर्सल ऑर्डर राइट में जाएगा. और नेक्स्ट 4 से कंपेयर करें तो ओके 7 इज व्हाट? 4 से कंपेयर करें तो ओके नेक्स्ट 7. 4 से कंपेयर करें तो 7 इज व्हाट? लार्जर, बट रिवर्सल ऑर्डर तो लेफ्ट में जाएगा. सो 7 विल गो हियर. Right? So in the same manner, okay, you have to insert all the elements. In the same manner you have to insert all the elements. Let's execute one more element. Next 5 है. आप बताओ 5 से 5 कंपेयर करेंगे. So 9 से कंपेयर करें तो 5 is what? 9 से कंपेयर करें तो 5 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके, लेफ्ट में जाना है मगर ये राइट में जाएगा. ओके, बिकॉज रिवर्सल ऑर्डर. सो 4 से कंपेयर करें तो 4 से कंपेयर करें तो 5 इज व्हाट? लार्जर, राइट में जाना है मगर ये लेफ्ट में जाएगा. और 7 से कंपेयर करें तो 5 इज व्हाट? स्मॉलर. ओके, मगर लेफ्ट में जाना है मगर ये राइट में जाएगा, तो 5 विल गो हियर. Okay, is the point clear for everyone, right? So this is the technique he is following. So you need to construct the binary tree by using all the elements. Okay, by inserting all the elements, you need to construct the BST. And next, what is asking after constructing the BST in this format? Okay, he is asking, okay, what is the pre-order? What is the pre-order? Pre-order means the first element, okay, will be what? Okay, root. Exactly. Pre-order में क्या होगा? Root, left and right. So the first, okay, you are going to start with what? 9. So remember, with the 9, okay, starting as a 9 pre-order, only one option is matching. Only one option is matching. Other options are not matching. So they are starting with 0. They are starting with 0. They are starting with 0. So automatically other options are eliminated. Automatically other options are eliminated, because remember I explained the construction of the tree because the question is really interesting. Okay, because if I change the other options are modified. If this is also starting with the 9, 4, 7 and somewhere it's middle, so you have to construct the complete tree and then only you can okay, evaluate the pre-order. But now it is not required. You can eliminate the options because pre-order means the root. Root means 9 is the first. So 9 से start होने वाला एक ही option है. Okay, what is starting with the 9? Only with the one option is there, so you can directly check, okay, check the answer as what? A. Okay, fine. So but remember, you should know like the procedure how you followed to construct the BST, right? Okay, fine. So I think everyone is clear with this. So right answer is A. So I'm moving on to the next question. So this is also interesting. Just take the question and try to solve. Consider the binary search tree containing elements from 1 to 8. Okay, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which of the following is a correct pre-order traversal of a BST? Think carefully and answer. Which of the following is a correct pre-order traversal? How many elements are there in the BST? 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's asking what is the correct pre-order traversal. Don't give the answers by guessing. Mega Nayak, Sovik Sarkar. Okay, very less people give right answer. Okay, very less people are answering. Mm-hmm. Okay, right. So most of you gave the right answer, right? So mostly giving right answer. So I think no need of waiting for some more time on this question, right? So this you can comfortably solve, right? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to explain this. Now, first of all, what is the in order? Okay, everybody knows in order traversal of a BST. Okay, understand here. In order traversal of a BST is what? Always sorted order. Let's say, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your in order traversal of a BST, right? Next, let us consider option A as a right. Let's say option A, you take it as a pre-order, correct sequence of pre-order. Okay, let's say option A को मैं substitute कर रहा हूँ. Let's check it out. Whether you are able to construct the tree or not able to construct the tree, you can find out. Okay, because if I eliminate option A, okay, correct answer, okay, no need to explain. Correct answer, no need to explain. Let's say I am assuming option A is a correct pre-order. Let's say if it is a correct pre-order, what is option A here? So 5, 3, okay, 1, okay, and next is okay, 2, 4, okay, 7, 8, 6. Okay, let's I am assuming option A, okay, as a correct pre-order. Now in the pre-order, what is the root? Okay, 5 is the root. Let's construct the BST here. Okay, 5 is the root. Where is the 5 in the in order? Okay, here is the 5. So this should be in the left subtree and this should be in the right subtree. That should be in the right subtree. Now let's take the left subtree first. Now if you go with the left subtree, 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the left subtree. 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the left subtree. In the 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the next root? Okay, how you will identify? Okay, check the pre-order. In the 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the next root? Check the pre-order. Okay, who is coming first? जब मैं इधर से आ रहा हूँ, पहले कौन आ रहा है? 3 आ रहा है. So it means the next root should be what? 3. Next root should be what? 3 here. So next root is 3 here. Where is the, okay, 3 in the in order? Where is the 3 in the in order? Okay, here is the 3 in the in order. Here is the 3 in the in order. So it means, okay, 1, 2 should be the left of, okay, left of the 3, and the 4 should be what? Right of that. So look at here. So 4 is right of that. Okay, that is very clear. There is no problem. And the left में 1, 2 होना चाहिए. अगर left में 1, 2 होना चाहिए, 1, 2 में next root कौन आ रहा है? Next root कौन आ रहा है? कैसे पता चलेगा? Okay, pre-order में देखो. So 1 is coming first. So the next root क्या है बताओ? 1. And next, where is 1 in the in order? Here. So 1 का right side में 1 का right side में 2 होना. तो 1 का right side में 2 होना. Now check. You constructed the tree. Okay, is it following the BST rule? Yes. Now check the right subtree also. Check the right subtree. Okay, 5 का right side में 5, 6, 7, 8 है. 5 का राइट साइड में 6, 7, 8 है. अब 6, 7, 8 में व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट रूट? 6, 7, 8 में रूट क्या है बताओ? ओके, नाउ चेक करना है तो प्री ऑर्डर में देखो. प्री ऑर्डर में देखो तो पहले कौन आ रहा है? 7 आ रहा है. नाउ चेक द 7 हियर. सो 7 इज कमिंग हियर. 7 is the root. Now check where is the 7 here. Okay, where is the 7? Okay, look at here. Where is the 7? Here is the 7. 7 यहाँ पे आ रहा है. Okay, now is it following? What's the problem in the option A? Okay, 7. Next, okay, 7 is here. Okay, next is 6 is okay, left of that. Okay, and okay, and 8 is right of that. So what's the problem in the option A? Option A, is there any problem? Right. So just check it out. Option A, I think there is some problem. We made mistake. 7, 6, 8. Where is this? Okay, 5 का right side में. Okay, right? Pre-order में 7 is the root. Where is 7? Here is a 7. Okay, left side में 6, right side में ये है. Okay, just check. Option A is following. Is it following BST rule? Okay. Okay, 6 would be counted as the first. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, now you made the construction. Okay, that is fine. Okay, right. Now understand. Okay, now construction is done. After construction, you check the pre-order. Okay, in the pre-order, the first one 6 will come as a first. But look at here, 6 is coming in the last year in the pre-order. That is the problem. Okay, right. Good, good. Okay, right. Okay, right. So look at here, 6 यहाँ पे प्री ऑर्डर में 6 पहले आना था, मगर 6 यहाँ पे लास्ट में आ रहा है. So A is not the pre order. A is not the pre order. Very good. Is that clear? So कंस्ट्रक्शन तो कैसे भी हो गया, बाद में चेक करके देखो प्री ऑर्डर सच में मैच हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, बाद में चेक करके देखो प्री ऑर्डर मैच हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो 6 यहाँ पे पहले आना चाहिए प्री ऑर्डर में, राइट, मगर 6 लास्ट में हो रहा है. सो दिस इज नॉट द एक्चुअल प्री ऑर्डर. यू आर मेकिंग द कंस्ट्रक्शन. इफ यू चेक द प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल, इसका प्री ऑर्डर क्या होगा, इसका प्री ऑर्डर क्या होगा? ओके, 5 3. ओके, नेक्स्ट 1 2 4 6 7 8 होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? 6 पहले आएगा प्री ऑर्डर में, मगर ये लास्ट में आ रहा है. सो दैट इज नॉट द प्री ऑर्डर. सो इन द सेम मैनर you check for other options also, then right answer will be what? D. D would be the right answer. समझ में आया? Right? I eliminated option A. How eliminated option A? You can make the construction and check the pre-order again. Is it following or not? It is not following the pre-order. Is the point clear for everyone? Is the point clear for everyone? Yeah. So this is not a okay proper pre-order. So right answer is what? D. D is the right answer. Okay, fine. So that is a okay simple question only, right? So you can make, okay, you can solve that. So let's move on to the next question, right? So this is a good question. So generally I found many students are confusing. This is a good question. So think carefully and answer. Think carefully and answer. This is a good question. So I am giving the time. So think carefully and answer. I am giving the time. It's a good question. Many students are giving wrong answer. There are mixed answers coming. Right answer, wrong answer, mixed answers coming. So I'm just waiting for everyone to solve. Mixed answers coming. No, 50% giving wrong answer, 50% giving right answer. Jagdish, Jagdish Totakura. You have given two options, both are wrong. Okay, right. So time up, guys. I gave you sufficient time. So this kind of questions can be expected in the GATE. So please understand here. I will explain two options. Okay, one is a right answer, one is a wrong answer, so that you can eliminate all that. So I will explain option A, and right answer is option C. Please understand, C is the right answer. So why C is the right answer we'll discuss, and why A is the other options are wrong, we'll discuss that also. Consider the binary search tree which has a values between 1 to 600. So some values, okay, between 1 to 600, and is saying in case of the BST has been unsuccessfully searched, okay, for a key 271, which of the following, which of the below sequences would have encountered, okay, in the search? Which of the, okay, below sequences are, okay, encountered, okay, in the search? Now I will explain option A. Option A is a wrong answer, okay, right? I will explain option A first, so that you will have clarity, because the same thing you can do for what other options, other wrong options. So 82 first, okay, I'm explaining option A. Option A is a wrong answer. Why option A is a wrong answer? I'm explaining that. So first, okay, is found, okay, 282. Now first of all, he is searching for the 271. First he got 82. Okay, it means next you should get what? Right side. Your search should go towards the right. Your search should go towards the right, whether it is a successful search or unsuccessful search. So searching element should be what? Next element should be what? Okay, greater than 82 होना चाहिए, 82 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So now look at here. So 536, okay, fine. 536, that is okay. And the next, after 536, next you are searching for what? Okay, what is the key you are searching? 271. So when you are searching for the 271, next element you are searching towards, you should go towards left. 536 से smaller element होना चाहिए. Next क्या मिला है? 102. Okay, that is also fine. And the next, you are searching for 271. The next element, okay, you should get what? Larger element. So 439. Okay, 439. Okay, that is also fine. And next you are searching for 271, you should go towards left only. Okay, everywhere it should follow the BST property. Everywhere it should follow the BST property. I am explaining option A. 439. Okay, accepted. Yes, accepted. After that he got 285. So he got 285. So 285 also, it is okay, no problem. That is following the BST. When you're searching for 271, you got 285. Okay, next, no problem, that is also fine. Next element, okay, should go towards left only. 285 के बाद नेक्स्ट लेफ्ट होना चाहिए. सो नेक्स्ट क्या मिला देखो इसको. ओके राइट, ही गॉट 375. नाउ टेल मी 375, okay, he got, is it accepted or not accepted? Not accepted, because you are searching for 271 after 285. After 285, okay, your search should go towards the left. Your search should go towards the left, because you are searching for 271. Because you are searching for 271, your search should go towards the left. Okay, but remember, if you are going towards the left, okay, he got 375. ये कैसे possible है? Okay, 285 का left side में 375 कैसे possible है? So not possible. So this is not the proper unsuccessful search. ऑप्शन ए इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर अनसक्सेसफुल सर्च. वो अनसक्सेसफुल सर्च नहीं है. ओके राइट, प्रॉपर सर्च ही नहीं है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द बीएसटी इट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर सर्च, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग द बीएसटी रूल. It is not following the BST rule, correct? And next, now option C is the right answer. I will explain the option C. Why C is the right answer? Okay, because the C is the right answer. C is only right answer. Some students gave wrong answer. 2 wrong answers also they have given. Okay, right? Now look at here. First is 140. Okay, first is 140. No problem. And next 271 you are searching. So right, I am writing here. 271 को आप search कर रहे हैं. Next element right side में जाना चाहिए. Okay, 245. Okay, next he got 245. That's fine. Next you should go to the left. Okay, okay, look at here. Oh, 271. Sorry, 271 search कर रहे हैं, तो it should be right side. Right side में जाना चाहिए. So next 530. He got 530. So that is also fine. No problem. Okay, after 530, next okay, you are searching for 281. You should go towards left. So next he got 385. Okay, 385. That is also fine. After that you should get smaller element. Okay, you got 3. Okay, 346. Okay, after that you should get smaller element. Okay, you got 270. Okay, that is fine. After that you should get larger element. Okay, that is 307. Okay, fine. Okay, now look at here. Every node should follow the BST rule. Is it following? Okay, look at here. Every node should follow the BST rule. Is it following the BST rule? Look at here. 140 say greater. Okay, 245 say greater. All the elements will be 245 say greater. Yes, all the elements in the 530 left side में all the elements should be smaller. Okay, smaller to 530, greater to 245. Yes, everywhere you are following the BST rule. So right answer is what? Okay, C. Okay, C is the right answer, guys. Okay, please check. ये unsuccessful search है. ये unsuccessful search है. Okay, proper search which is unsuccessful. Properly search किया but it is unsuccessful. Okay, right? So right answer is C. Okay, is that clear for everyone? Is the point clear for everyone? Okay, right. So right, is this clear for everyone? Sir, please explain option B. Unnati. Okay, your friend is asking option B. Sir, please explain option B. Okay, let me explain option B. Okay, right. So option B I am going to explain. Your friend is asking option B. Okay, why option B is the wrong answer? Okay, let me explain that. Your friend Unnati is asking that. Okay, so just it will take only 1 minute. So look at here. So option B, just take it out. First he got 50. Okay, fine. Because you are searching for 271, next you should get the right greater element 96. Okay, that is also accepted. Next you should get the right element. Okay, 120. Okay, greater element. Okay, that is also accepted. And next 190, because you are searching for 271, right side. Okay, you got 190. Okay, that is also fine. And next okay, you are searching for 271, next you should get the right side. Okay, next you got what? 240. Okay, that is fine. That is also accepted. And next after 240, look at here. Next you are searching for 271. You should get the right side. Okay, right side means he got what? 380. Okay, look at here. Next he got what? 380. Okay, look at here. Option B 380. Accepted or not accepted? Accepted. After 380, look at here. Option B. I am explaining option B why it is wrong answer. Okay, after 380 last he got 470. Remember, you are searching for 271. Okay, you should go towards the left. You should go towards the left. 380 के बाद left side आना चाहिए. But he is getting what? 470, the last element. So option B is the wrong answer. Because you are searching for 271, after 380 you should go towards the left, but he is going towards the right. जब आप 271 सर्च कर रहे हैं तो 380 के बाद लेफ्ट साइड में आना चाहिए तुमको, राइट साइड में क्यों जा रहे हो तुम, राइट? सो दैट इज रॉन्ग आंसर. सो उन्नति, इज दैट क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? या उपलब्ध, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके फाइन. उन्नति समझ में आया बेटा? राइट. यू आस्क फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑप्शन बी. ओके फाइन. सो नेक्स्ट, I think that is clear. Okay, fine. So that is a okay, good question. It is not very tough, good question. Right. Right. So let's move on to the next question. So take this question and try to solve. Carefully solve. Don't take any tension. Find the return value of f of 6. Question is clear? One of your friend is saying question is blur. Yeah, it is visible. It is clear now. Yeah. I think there was some technical glitch, maybe. I think now it is clear. Think carefully and solve. Don't take tension. Siddesh Sharma, how you can solve in less than 1 minute, man? It is not possible. Wrong answer. So much recursion is there. Siddesh Sharma, you are answering in less than 1 minute. How it is possible? Use a recursion tree method. Don't use the stack. Use the recursion tree. Tree बना के solve करो. Then that will be little easy. जल्दी जल्दी में आंसर गलत मत बोलो. ओके, यू कैन टेक टाइम. 1 minute 2 minutes टाइम यू कैन टेक. Verify your answers. Most of you giving wrong answer. Shaurya Agarwal, Kajal, Sandeep Vishwakarma, wrong answers only. Mukund, Sharath Venkatesh, Kajal, wrong answer. Nitish Kumar, wrong answer. Sukund, what was the Sukrut? Rafi Ahmad, okay, Rafi Ahmad, your right answer. Very good. Right. So now you started giving right answers. Monishka, wrong answer. Shubham Maurya, 2 times you gave wrong answer. Please don't take tension. Relax. Keep yourself calm and relax and solve properly. Nice. Tulsi Ram, Meda Tiwari, AB Developers. Very good, very good. Sukrut, nice answers. Okay. Payal Kaur, wrong answer, beta. Okay. So, fine. So, I think time up. So, I gave you right answer. So, right answer is, okay, 103 is the right answer. Okay. So, I am writing the answer here. So, 103. 103 is the right answer. Okay. 103 is the right answer. So most of you given the right answer. Okay, I will just give you the explanation. Okay, look at here. So okay, first of all is asking f of 6 value. Okay, now look at here, f of 6 value is asking. Okay, right. So please understand how to evaluate. I told you to use the recursive tree method, it will be easy. Now understand here, in the function f, if x is less than 1, return 1. That is very clear. And if x is less than 2, okay, return 1. Okay, just understand that base condition. Just remember that base condition. Okay, in the function f, x less than 1, so return 1. In the function g, if it is x less than 2, okay, that is a okay, return 1. Okay, so just understand these two base conditions. So I am evaluating the function f. In the function f, okay, x value is what, initially 6, because it's asking f of 6 value. So it's asking you to return. Okay, what is this going to return? Return f of x minus 1 plus g of x. So it means what? F of x minus 1, f of 5 plus g of x. So that is g of 6. Okay, you have to evaluate this. Okay, your function f is internally calling what? F of x minus 1 plus g of x. F of x minus 1 plus g of x. Very clear. So x value is 6, g of 6. X minus 1 means what? 5. So next, so the first you evaluate this. This f of 5 is recursively calling. f of 5 is recursive, x is less than 1, return 1. So otherwise this is calling what? F of 4 plus okay, g of 5, g of 5. So this is internally calling this. And next f of 4, this is internally calling f of 3 plus okay, g of 4, right? And f of 3, this is internally calling f of 2 plus g of 3, g of 3, right? Next f of 2 is internally calling f of 1 plus g of 2, right? Next what you have to do here? Okay, if x is less than 1, return 1. Okay, function f ka dekho, if x is less than 1, return 1. Otherwise this will also evaluated x is less than 1, true or false? False. Okay, so then this is calling f of 0 plus g of 1, f of 0 okay, plus g of 1. So f of 0 means what? This is returning 1, that is returning 1. F of 0 means x less than 0, less than 1, less than 1 means return 1. Okay, so less than 1 means return 1. So this is how okay, you evaluate first in the initial step. Okay, you are going to evaluate like this. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, right. So next okay, f of 0 is very clear. Next g of 1. Now tell me how you evaluate g of 1. Okay, look at here, if x is less than 2, return 1. X is less than 2, return 1 in the function g. Okay, it is less than 2, return 1, that's it, ho gaya. X is less than 2, return 1, that is clear. So now look at here, so g of 1 value is 1, f of 0 value is 1, so 1 plus 1, so this value is what? 2 will go here. And if you want to find out f of 2 value, so g of 2 you have to evaluate. बताओ g of 2 कैसे evaluate करोगे? If x less than 2 है तो return 1, otherwise f of x minus 1 plus x divided by 2, f of x minus 1, f of x minus 1, okay, x minus 1 means what? 1 plus f of x minus 1, okay, x value is a 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1. So this is internally calling f of 1 plus x divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Now tell me f of 1 value is how much? Already evaluate kiya apan, f of 1 value 2 hai. So this value is a 2. This is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means what? That is 3. Okay, look at here. This is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means what? That is 5. 2 plus 3 means that is 5. And next you have to evaluate g of 3. So g of 3 कैसे आएगा बताओ? G of 3 you want to evaluate. X less than 2 है तो 1 है. G of 3 है. Okay, this is internally calling f of 2 plus the okay, f of 2, okay, x minus 1, x value 3 hai, 3 minus 1 means 2, plus x divided by 2. X divided by 2 means what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1. And f of 2 value is how much? F of 2 value is how much here? 5, already evaluated. So this is 5. So this is a 5 plus 1, that is a 6. Now tell me, this is a 5 plus 6, that is a 11. F of 3 value is 11. Next you have to evaluate g of 4. G of 4 value is what? This is internally evaluating f of 3 plus, okay, because that is x minus 1, f of x minus 1. So g of 4 is internally calling f of 3 and x divided by 2. X divided by 2 means what? 2, because 4 by 2 means 2. And the next f of 3 value is how much here? 11. F of 3 value 11. 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is what? Okay, 11 plus 2, that is 13. Okay, look at here. So this value is what? 13. So this is 11, this is 13. Okay, total is how much here? 24. 24. F of 4 value is what? 24. And next the same thing you have to evaluate for the other thing. Okay, you can in the same manner you can expand. Same manner you can expand. Okay, so I think those who are solved, okay, they get bored. Okay, so I think that is okay, clear. So in the same manner if you expand, okay, if you want you can solve that also. Okay, let me finish that. G of 5 value, g of 5 internally calls f of 4. Okay, look at here, right? F of 4 plus x divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is what? 2. F of 4 value is how much here? 24. 24 plus 2, how much is that? 26. So this value is 26. 26 plus 24, how much is this? 50. F of 5 value is what? 50. Okay, let me write properly. Right. So f of phi value is how much here? 50. Okay, 24 plus 26, 50. Next find out g of 6. G of 6 value f of 4 plus g of 6, x divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is how much here? 3. Now tell me f of phi value already evaluated kiya. F of phi value is how much? Okay, this value is what? 50. Okay, 50. 50 plus 3, how much is that? Okay, 53. Okay, look at here. This is 50 and this is 53. How much is that? 103. 103. So final value is what? 103. So this is how you have to make the expansion. Right? So this is how you have to make the expansion. Is that clear? Right? So remember, this question, if you observe, this is not a very tough question. Okay, this is not a tough question. Okay, what is tested in your what is tested in this question is your patience, how you are making patience towards solving the question. So that is tested in your while solving this question. That is tested in this question, right? So how you are maintaining the patience, how you are maintaining the concentration, it is not very difficult question. Is that clear? यहाँ पे x डिवाइडेड बाय 2 है, तो यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, यहाँ पे कुछ नॉर्मल एडिशन में गलत हो गया, तो गलत हो जाएगा. Is that clear? So what is required in this question? Your concentration, right? Your concentration, observation, that is our important. Right? Okay, so that's all from my side. Okay, right? So I don't want to waste your time. So if you observe all the questions, I think we discussed around 7, 8 or 9 questions, around 9 questions, whatever. So you are weak in the 2D array, 3D array type questions. Okay, that is very important. Last year GATE exam also there is a question on the 2D array, 3D array type questions. Okay, 2D array, 3D questions, total 90 people were there in the live. Only 1-2 people gave right answer. That is also after 1-2 attempts. After 1-2 attempts, you give right answer for 2D array, 3D array questions. So please make sure you practice more questions, based on the 2D array and 3D array type of questions. Is that clear? Right? So give the test series. I have given very good questions on the test series, especially from programming and data structures and operating system, from our side. Okay, right? So that's all from my side. Okay, because I don't want to waste your important time, because you are doing the sincere and serious preparation. Okay, right? So that's all from my side. Okay, all the best for your exam. Okay, so maintain smile on the face, and when you are going for the exam also, go like a Bahubali. Is that clear? Right? When you are going for exam, go like a Bahubali. Right? So you prepared very well. Okay, you prepared very well. Whatever is there, you have done the best job. Okay, whatever is the result going to come, that is given by the God. Okay, so don't worry. ऐसा नहीं कि डर डरते हुए ऐसा जा रहा है, ऐसा मत जाओ. Okay, just go like a Bahubali. You did best, and you are going to perform best. Okay, that is how you have to feel, and that is how you have to give the test. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much for coming live. Okay, so revising the notes in this time, whatever the time is there, just make the revision of all the notes and give the test series. That's it. Don't read anything extra. Give the test series every day. Okay, full length test series and revision of the notes. That's it. Notes को revise करते जाओ और test series देते जाओ. बस ये दोनों ही काम करो. समझ में आया? Right. Okay, so thank you so much. All the best. Okay, for coming live. So thank you so much. Bye bye. All the best for your exam. Take care. Keep smiling, keep learning.